Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily use Object Eraser on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the gallery and select the photo that you want to change. Now here I took this photo and I want to delete this little object. And how would I do that? Is basically click here onto the stars. Now click Object Eraser and wait for it to analyze the picture. Now here you need to tap or draw around anything that you want to erase. So I'm going to just do that. And as you guys can see, now we can click Erase. And as you guys can see, it's not perfect, but maybe if we try again and delete this one, it will be good. Now here we can click save. We can save it as a copy or the main picture. And as you guys can see, now this is the difference between the first photo with the object, and it looks pretty okay. But after we delete it, it's just blurry and messy right here. And that's how you can easily use Object Eraser on your Samsung. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.